Hi. Welcome to our channel at Brothers. Today, we're going to introduce a free network monitoring software that is Librenms. Librenms has an impressive and easy to use interface, and it's a SNMP based network host monitoring tool. So, without delay, let's get started for the installation. You have an installed Linux server running one of the supported OS. Make sure you select your server's OS and web application. Here we are using Ubuntu 20.04 and Apache web server. Before you start for the installation, switch to root user so that you will not face privilege issues. At first, you can see a lot of commands, but it's okay. Most of them are just copy and paste. First, install the necessary packages by copying and paste. Next, add a new user, Librenms. And download Librenms software and /opt. Now let give a permissions to the user, Librenms. Next, set a time zone. If the time zone is incorrect, your result will be display in wrong timestamp. As reminder, don't forget to change Ubuntu OS's time zone. To cross-check your OS's time zone, type the command datetime_ctl. Next, the MariaDB configuration. Please, follow the instructions as given. Don't forget to save and change the file. After the configuration, enable and restart the MariaDB services. Now, we have to create database for Librenms. I would suggest to do not change the database name, but you can change the password as given the instruction. Please, follow the steps as given. Next is PHP-FPM configuration. Do correct the information as instructed. But I suggest you do comment on the start of line instead of replace. Now, we have to configure web server, as we have installed Apache web server in previous, so click on Apache, then create a new configuration file, named Librenms. And add the following config as given in instruction. You can use copying and paste. Once you have a new config file, disable the default web server config and restart the web server. Next, configure SNMPd to enable the SNMP for the server, so that server able to self-monitoring. So, you have completed all the configuration and commands as instructed. Now, you can open the Librenms monitoring tool on web browser using the IP address of server. Fill the password which you have created in previous database configuration. Then click on Check Credentials. It will check the database connectivity to allow you to build database. When credentials is correct, you will get an option to build database tables. It will take few seconds to build tables. Now click on key icon to create a new admin credentials for login Librenms software. Here you get 3 options to fill the following: username, password, and email ID. Once you done, click on Add User to step up. The installation process are completely done. Now we are in last step of the video, that is device addition for monitoring in Librenms system. For the test, let's add the Librenms self-system IP address. You just need to enter the IP address of the device in the community. Thanks for watching the video. If the video useful to you, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.